It was astounding the way today Debuji played so well. Every time you hear him, there is such a variety and such a deep understanding of the principle of music. And the principle of music is that it should entertain the spirit. We being Sahajogis, and most of you have never learnt any Indian music as such, like me. But it's a fact that Indian music comes from Omkar, from the divine source of sound. And that's why that comforts, entertains, amuses the spirit. Otherwise the spirit is so self-satisfied by itself. It enjoys itself. But with music and art, I feel it gets its reflection. To see reflects its own beautiful existence, which is permeating into every little particle, into every molecule, into every atom. And that reflection, when the spirit sees, it has that new dimension of a beautiful expansion of his personality. And as if you feel you are resounding in the whole universe. It's the beauty of Indian music is this. But especially with Debu, I'm very grateful to him that he has come here with his son Pratik, whom I have seen as a little boy. And so heartening to see he has taken this art so seriously. Normally these days, young boys do not take to art much, and that he should learn from his father, that's even a greater thing. That we have such delicate weaving and such strong strokes of depth from Debu, and he is creating mirth. Affect his extras, creating mirth, while Debu was something you can say like some of the very, very senior sages, as if they were playing some sort of a hymn. It was a beautiful combination of both father and son. I bless them from my heart for giving us such a beautiful feeling of expansion within ourselves, of our joy. Then we have Somnathji, who is a very good artist, and he is so well played today, so much in concord and understanding with both of them. It was such a beautiful trial. I'm really thankful to him that they came all the way from India to play for us here. And Debuji is the realized soul, his son is the realized soul, they are all realized souls. So the rapport between them and you was so beautifully done. I mean, it is not possible to describe the joy, the nirvana that you felt with this. Only one can say that the collectivity of enjoyment one can have through this kind of music. I hope some of you also pick up from this. Dedicate yourself to this art of music, because for a realized soul it is very easy to go further with it and to progress with it. Though it's a big tapasya, Indian music is not an easy thing. It is a great dedication, concentration and reverence. Otherwise you do not work it out. I'm happy that there are some Sahajogis who are now taking lessons in tabla and also in classical music. And the way our Sahajogis sing is something remarkable that even the Maharashtrians, actors and actresses who sing very well had come to a program, and they said that we really felt ashamed of ourselves the way the Sarjogis were singing Marathi songs and the way they were so beautifully, rhythmically bind, and how they put us together with them. So it's a very beautiful net that binds us together for our collectivity, for our delicate feelings, and how we should be with each other, like the music. Because the notes were very deep, touching your heart, and were spreading a kind of a light of love in your heart. And that touched each other's heart. And that's what should be the understanding of music, that it should really reach our heart, and through our heart we should try to feel other people, their depth and their wisdom, their understanding, and a kind of a beautiful anxiety to please others, to make others happy, to entertain them. And the little Pratik, I'm so happy. Pratik is a symbol, he's a symbol of music. I hope he comes up very well and gets a very big name in the whole world. Same Basunda, these are young boys coming up, and they should keep it up. I feel so very happy about the new way of young people are taking to music, and especially if Sarjogis take to this music, it will be a very demanding thing today, because Indian music is now being neglected very much by the younger generation in India. It's a very sad thing what has happened. But for that, we have to know that a balanced personality has to be achieved. You have to have creativity. Creativity is there, of course, works out through your Kundalini, the creativity comes up. But you must have the technique to express it. And the third thing is the sweetness, the understanding, or I would say the rapport with the audience, where to pull which string that we call Vidkari. And especially his notes are not full, they are two missing, I think, in his sitar, which I saw. Without that, how he won't sit up and play. And the son also has a good way of playing with 3 fingers, I saw, was a different style. It will be very appealing to you people, because that creates mirth. So we should go to the essence of it and see for ourselves, and not worry as to what is the tala, what is the raga, what is this. That's not for us personally. We have to just enjoy it without reacting to it in thoughtless awareness. Just enjoy the whole creativity. Not to worry too much about what is the raga is, what is the note is. Now, for example, he played a very, I would say, a very unique type of poem. He's brought everything, every style, like Tappa style was also that little bit I saw. And I mean, it is really, I've never heard such a thing before. So, it's a very unique style of creating like this, and as long as we are creating newer and newer things without compromising with the, say, our system of Ragadani. Means, you see, it should be in Rag. Rag comes from energy, Ga means which moves, you see. And also the Divine Mother's protection is called as Ragancha. Means, you see, the energy which moves in such a subtle and a beautiful manner that it gives you a protection, and in that protection your dimensions touch the heavens. It's like that. And this is created, this Ragancha is created by our music. The late and rhythm. These are all factors which are so balanced that unless and until you have a balanced personality, you cannot understand. Here our eyes are towards the sky, we're looking at the stars walking, and here our feet are on the Mother Earth. In such a beautiful manner, if you hear this music, then you will know what it is. To me, it's heavenly, and I'm very thankful to you, Vibhu. Very much thankful, my child.
Yes.
Really, and you feel me.
My privilege, my honor.
Saying all this is too much to you.
Thank you to me.
You see, so if my love can really create all this, I'm thankful to this love that has done all this good work for all of you. May God bless you.